Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Well, first of all, I want to apologize for not uploading any new part in the last days. It was because of a trip I had with friends, but I'm back and now we are back to coding. So in today's video, we will implement the story feed. So let's start coding, and first thing that already all of you will probably know, here we will need to add id slash dot self. This is the first part. Then we will go to our utils folder, and here we will implement a new group. I will call it extension. And if some of you are wondering why I'm adding an extension, I will be explaining it soon, so let's wait for it. A Swift file, it will be extension. Okay, perfect. Here we will have an extension of array. And before I start coding, let me explain what we will be doing. As you probably know, in story feed view, for example, we view model.friends.count. The friends can sometimes be nil, and in that case, I will have index out of range, and it will crash. To fix this issue, there are a number of solutions. For this case, I chose to add an extension that will make a test to be sure that the index is never out of range. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So I will write subscript. It will be save index of type integer, and it will return an element that is optional, and here I will return index dot contains index. If yes, return self index, and if no, return nil. Okay, perfect. And this is okay what he is saying. Okay, it should be lowercase, I apologize. Okay, perfect. Now that we implemented our subscript, now we go to our story feed view. We don't have anything to change here, but we need to change in our story card view. So let's go to our story card view, and here let embed inside the vstack, and let's call it if let tutorial equal view model dot friends with save index. In that case, you will show me friend.cover image name. Here it will be okay. Route, I apologize, it should be friends. Not tutorial, I don't know what I'm thinking. Apologize, it's a little bit late here at night. So okay, friend.profile image name, and here it will be friend.first name and friend.family name. Okay, perfect. I think I can also place this inside the Z stack, so I can have here a Z stack. I can import Kingfisher. And here it will be an image of no profile, and I take the modifiers. I copy them, not cut them. Okay, and above it will be our kf image with URL, and it will be our friend.cover image name. And I will give it the modifiers. And I will put the overlay on my Z stack. Okay, so let's check what else. Okay, this one also needs to be inside the Z stack, so I will have another Z stack, and here I will have image of no profile. I will give it the same modifiers, and above it I will have my kf image, and here I will give it my friend.profile image name. Okay, perfect. I will give it the modifiers. I don't need this image part anymore. And now I think everything should be working perfectly. So now if I run my project, hopefully the stories will appear and everything will be perfect. So let's wait for it, and finger crossed everything will be working. So okay, and perfect. I think we got the stories. It's perfect. Maybe it should be here scale to fill. But to be honest, I'm satisfied with the result. Okay, perfect. To be honest, I don't like it very much this way. I think the other one was better, but anyway, as you can see, I think I will be back to the other one, because when it's scaled to fill, it's not really great. Maybe let's scale to fit. Check it. Okay, I prefer it this way better, but anyway, you can play with the variable and change it the way you want. So I'm pretty proud with what we achieved for now. If you made it to this video, you need to be proud of yourself. We did a good step in our app. And to understand, for example, why we used the extension, I will show you something. If I log out now, as you can see, my app still didn't crash or didn't have anything. But when I log out, if I go to my auth service, for example, as you can see in my sign out, I make user service.serve shared.reset, and in my reset, I will make friends equal nil. And as you already know, in my story feed view, let's check it. In my story view, I'm passing the index. This could cause a few problems if we weren't using our extension, but because we are using our extension, we know it will only enter if it contains. That solves a lot of problems. Anyway, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, like the video, subscribe if you are not subscribed yet, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.